Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Agoda something went wrong error. First, check your internet connection and ensure that it is working properly. Then, swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the app, swipe it away, closing it completely. Wait for a few hours and reopen it. This will fix temporary bugs or glitches. Then restart your phone to clear system level issues that may be affecting the app. Then head over to your App Store or your Play Store, search for the Agoda app, wait for a few hours, and then update the app if you've not updated it completely. If you're using a browser, clear cache and cookies, then reload the page. If the problem proceeds, wait a few minutes and try again later, as this error is often caused by temporary server issues. That's how I fixed the Agoda something went wrong error.